Before we start, take a deep breath and listen carefully. What you're about to hear could change your health forever. If you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications, because here we uncover the hidden truths your body wants you to know. Now let's talk about one of the most vital yet forgotten organs in your body, the pancreas. It's small, it's silent, and it works every second of your life, digesting food, balancing blood sugar, and producing enzymes that keep your body alive. But when it becomes inflamed, your life can change completely. Every year, thousands of people experience unexplained stomach pain, nausea, or bloating, and are told it's just gastritis. Yet what's really happening inside them is much more serious. Their pancreas is crying for help. Pancreatic inflammation, also known as pancreatitis, can quietly destroy this organ until it can no longer function. And when that happens, you face 3 dangerous consequences: pancreatic insufficiency, diabetes, or even pancreatic cancer. Let's begin with the warning signs your body sends before it's too late. If you feel pain deep in your abdomen that radiates to your back or shoulder, if you experience nausea after meals, if you often feel bloated or tired even after eating little, or if your stools look pale and oily, your pancreas might already be suffering. This pain can be deceptive. It comes and goes, sometimes worse after fatty meals or alcohol. Many ignore it until the damage becomes irreversible. Now, let's expose the real enemies that silently destroy your pancreas every day. The first and most dangerous one is alcohol. There's no safe amount. Even small, regular doses can inflame the delicate pancreatic tissues. When alcohol enters your system, it forces your pancreas to release enzymes prematurely, and these enzymes begin digesting the organ itself. Over time, scar tissue forms, blocking the ducts and preventing proper digestion. The second enemy is fried and processed foods. Every time you eat something deep-fried, loaded with trans fats or hydrogenated oils, your pancreas has to work harder to break it down. These unhealthy fats increase inflammation, clog your digestive system, and can trigger severe attacks of pancreatitis. The third enemy? Refined sugar, the hidden poison in almost every modern product. Sugar spikes your insulin, forces your pancreas to work overtime, and leads to insulin resistance. In the long run, this overwork makes your pancreas weak and exhausted. That's the start of type 2 diabetes, and it often goes hand in hand with pancreatic inflammation. Another silent killer is processed meat: sausages, salami, bacon, ham. They contain chemical preservatives called nitrates and nitrites that have been linked to pancreatic cancer. Studies show that eating more than 300 grams of red or processed meat per week drastically increases the risk of pancreatic disease. And what about soft drinks and artificial juices? They're loaded with sugar, dyes, and acids that attack not only your pancreas, but also your liver. Each sip causes oxidative stress, reducing your body's ability to heal. But here's the truth no one tells you. Pancreatitis doesn't always start with food or alcohol. It can also come from gallstones that block the pancreatic ducts, from certain medications, or even from years of emotional stress. Stress hormones like cortisol can alter digestion, trigger inflammation, and weaken your immune system, all of which directly affect your pancreas. Now that you know what destroys your pancreas, let's talk about how to heal it naturally. If you've ever wished you could restart your health, this is your moment. First, hydrate your body. The pancreas depends on water to produce enzymes and flush toxins. Drink pure water throughout the day. Not soda, not flavored drinks, just water. Second, eat foods that love your pancreas: whole grains, legumes, fresh fruits, and vegetables, especially those rich in fiber. Fiber helps regulate digestion, balance blood sugar, and reduce the workload on your pancreas. Third, add anti-inflammatory foods to every meal: turmeric, ginger, garlic, cinnamon, and rosemary. These natural gifts reduce inflammation, fight free radicals, and help your pancreas heal. Don't forget healthy fats. The right fats protect your cells and promote hormone balance. Avocado, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil in moderation, and the omega-3 fats found in fish can all support pancreatic health. Here's a tip few people know. Eating slowly and chewing well gives your pancreas time to release enzymes gradually. When you eat too fast, your pancreas gets overwhelmed, producing too many enzymes too quickly, leading to inflammation. Now I want to challenge you. Try a 4-week pancreas detox. For the next 30 days, remove alcohol, fried foods, refined sugar, and processed meats from your diet. Replace them with whole foods, herbal teas, and fresh juices. You'll notice changes fast. Your energy will rise, your digestion will improve, and even your mood will lighten. At this point, let me remind you, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. We bring you science-based and natural methods to protect your body and renew your life. Let's continue. Your pancreas doesn't heal overnight. It needs time, care, and consistency. But every healthy choice you make brings it closer to balance. Some herbal teas that support the pancreas include clove, bay leaf, oregano, and chamomile. Drink them after meals to ease digestion and reduce inflammation. Another secret is intermittent fasting, giving your pancreas time to rest between meals. When you're not constantly digesting, your body can repair itself. Start gently, 12 hours without food overnight, then gradually increase to 14 or 16 hours if you feel good. Always listen to your body. Now let's talk about something deeper, your emotions. The pancreas is linked to how you process sweetness in life, both literally and emotionally. Bitterness, resentment, or constant stress can sour your system, just like toxic foods. That's why spiritual healing, gratitude, and emotional peace play such a big role in physical recovery. Take a few minutes each day to breathe deeply, pray, or simply thank your body for all it does. Healing begins inside your heart as much as inside your cells. Imagine this: your pancreas glowing with health, every enzyme working perfectly, your body feeling light, strong, and balanced. This is not a fantasy. It's your natural state when you give your body what it needs. Now, let's summarize the key steps to protect your pancreas. Eliminate alcohol completely. Avoid fried foods, trans fats, and processed meats. Reduce sugar and refined carbohydrates. Eat fiber-rich natural foods. Add anti-inflammatory spices daily. Stay hydrated. Rest, manage stress, and sleep well. If you follow these steps for just 1 month, you'll feel the difference. Not only in your digestion, but in your overall energy and mood. Your body was created to heal. All you need is to give it the chance. And before we end, remember this: the same pancreas that once suffered can regenerate. Every new cell you create through healthy living replaces the old, damaged ones. You have more control over your health than you think. So today, make the decision to honor your body. Let food be your medicine, and let awareness be your power. If this message inspired you, share this video with someone who needs it. You might help save a life, maybe even your own. And if you want more natural health tips and daily motivation, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment saying, "I choose to heal my body." Take care of yourself. Take care of your pancreas. And remember, health isn't about perfection, it's about connection with your body, your mind, and your purpose. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Goodbye.